Actions in Photoshop is a very powerful tool or feature. So what it does is it automates the task which you do repeatedly, and that saves a lot of time. Now, first of all, you have to go to Windows, and then you have to go to Actions, and then you have to create an action by clicking on this particular button, and it will show you a box which will ask for the name of the action, and just enter the relevant name of the action and save it. And now it will start recording the actions which will perform on the file. And in this particular document we want to crop it, and we will save the document, and then we will close the document. So the three steps. So first is cropping, second is saving, and third is closing. So we are gonna go to image and then crop, and once the file or image is cropped, we will just save it, and then we will close the document, because since we will be opening a lot of documents, we want to ensure that these things happens repeatedly. And now we have stopped the action, so it won't record any action steps further. And now we have to batch process it. So in the batch process step, you open a folder, or you select a folder wherein all the files where you want to apply the batch process or action are stored, and Photoshop will start applying the action on each of the files which are stored within that folder which you selected in the batch process. So that will happen over and over. As you can see over here, the steps are being repeated of the each action repeatedly, recursively, and till the last file is reached, it will keep on repeating in the loop. So that's how Photoshop automates the process by just the batch feature. So that batch feature is super powerful in your Photoshop, and which can save you a lot of time. So it's like a boon for all the designers or people who are doing some creative work, but they have to do some task repeatedly. So imagine if you're having thousands of such images and you want to apply same operation over and over. This batch process comes very handy, and it will save you a ton of time. So as you can see, we have greatly reduced the size of the file, and you can see the file size is updating in real time because the batch process is still going on. And earlier these files were of, let's say, 1.5 MB. Now they are almost of quarter size. So this is definitely a boon. So let's say you want to batch process 100 files which are having file size 2 MB, and you want to reduce the size of each of the file or image. So Photoshop's action works brilliantly in that case. So yeah, it is up to you how you want to apply the actions on your work, but once you will apply, you will realize the power of actions. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.